Whether Akuapem Polo has been, what's the situation? Has she been granted bail? What's happening there?
Yeah, she's been granted bail by the Accra High Court. As I speak to you, she's been given 80,000 Ghana cedis bail, 80,000 Ghana cedis bail with 3 surety. I have with me here a lawyer for Akuapem Polo, one of the lawyers, lawyer Kudisin. Lawyer, we welcome you to KSFM. Can you tell us today in court actually what the judge said?
Okay, it was very brief. The court had indicated that it is very difficult for somebody who has been convicted already to be given bail pending appeal, but in exceptional circumstances, as espoused by Taylor J. She set out 4 conditions, and out of the 4 conditions, we indicated one, that is the time period being short, to the extent that if the convict is allowed to remain in custody, by the time the appeal is over, the 90 days would have lapsed already. Under the circumstances, she is then compelled to admit her to bail in the sum of 80,000 Ghana cedis with 3 sureties, and that she's supposed to deposit her passport, and anytime she wants to travel, maybe the court registrar will give her permission to do so.